Good morning. My name is George. I'm part of the technical support here at EPCOM. I'm here to present the new line that we're going to be carrying. Let's start. Oops, I'm sorry. The content that we're going to be seeing today, it's the new technology that this device is going to offer, as well as the presentation of epcomAX, as well as some solutions that we're going to cover here. The technology, I'm sorry, Hik-Vision carries is going to be carrying three lines. The hybrid panel, that one is compatible with any wireless sensors, as well as the wireless sensor hub. Also the AX hub, and the line that we're going to be carrying, it's the AX-Pro or epcomAX. That one, it's only wireless, and it uses their proprietary wireless sensors, which are AX-Pro. How does the epcom alarm work? Basically, it works like as any alarm, but the main difference is on this one, you can, for every action, you can trigger a reaction. For example, if a detector detects an intrusion, you can configure it to actually trigger an alarm output. Some of the solutions that epcomAX is gonna be using, it's flow detection. You can do a video verification. There's also gonna be the intrusion detection. You can do the automation and the fire detection. This is aimed for home, office, or business. The reason we're only carrying wireless, it's basically because most clients hate wiring into the alarm systems. Instead of wiring, yeah, we're gonna be using only wireless devices. Any wireless devices include the keypads, the sirens, the wireless detectors, the peer cams. This new generation of alarm system, it's gonna be using a new proprietary technology called 3X and CAMX. It's gonna be very easy installation. It uses the same technology as 433 megahertz. It's a two-way system. The maximum transmission rate is gonna be 2,000 meters, and that's with a repeater. It's gonna be using the time division multiple access, so it avoids channel blocking. It's gonna be carrying a multi-channel for different, yeah, for if you want to have different zones, so that those zones don't interact with one another. It's gonna be AES 128 encryption, and battery life, it's gonna be one of the longer ones that we're gonna be carrying on, yeah, here at Epicom. The 3X wireless technology, it has a range of 1,200 meters. And the CAMX wireless technology, it's gonna be up to 800 meters. That's using its proprietary technology. This is gonna be the hub that we're gonna be carrying. Everything that's wireless is gonna connect through here. This hub is gonna be able to support voice messages. You're gonna be able to add a repeater. You can have up to 2 repeaters per hub. It's gonna have a PeerCam support. This one, the PeerCam, it's a combination between motion sensor and a camera. You're gonna be able to integrate up to 2 IP cameras of up to 2 megapixels each. It's gonna be carrying the dual protocol, which are 3X and epcomAX. It's gonna support up to 48 wireless zones, and the plug and play, it's all gonna be done through the Hik-Connect app. It also supports Hik-Connect for installers. This is gonna be a typical installation here. Any wireless zones, the wireless zones will be for example, the peer sensors, the alarm sensors, the water sensors, as well as the wireless arming tools, which are the keypads and the key fobs. Also, it's gonna be carrying the wireless outputs, which will be the alarm and the siren. Everything is gonna be connected through the wireless panel. The connection of the wireless panel to the internet can be done through LAN, through Wi-Fi, through 4G and GPRS. The programming can be done through the Hik-Connect app. This system also has the integration to add IP cameras, and so you can actually add it to a monitoring service. For example, such as Hik-Pro Connect. The 3X wireless processor and the epcomAX processor are basically independent channels, one from each other. This system ensures that there's no interference between the zones, and it then enables ultra-fast communication. The epcomAX protocol can be used for video systems. One of the few, this one is gonna be supporting two systems, the IBS. This one it's for integration for IP cameras. You can integrate for example, the X Pro with the Hikvision or EPCOM cameras, and everything can be done through the Hik-Connect. Any Hikvision or Epcom camera, it can be linked through the Hik-Connect, and the limit it's the only carries 2 IP cameras of 2 megapixels each. The camera, if it can be added to the Hik-Connect, it's gonna be compatible with the integration here. The IBUS verification, it supports third-party cameras for any not sure if you have any clients with the private cloud. We can also provide the API integration, so the client or any programmer can do the integration via the API. This one supports also 2 cameras of 2 megapixels each, and it provides up to 7 seconds of video. I'm sorry. The communication modes on the hub, it has a built-in Wi-Fi and a LAN port for a reliable connection. This is the PeerCam. It offers infrared LED. It also has a built-in camera, as well as a infrared sensor with a LED indicator. This one also has an internal battery and a tamper switch. This is the percam as it works. It sends an instant notification to the Hik-Connect. You can set it up as a trigger action. As soon as it detects something, the system is gonna capture the intrusion and it's gonna trigger an alarm so you can see on the Hik-Connect app. One of the few key features this system offers, it has a 12-meter detection range. The coverage angle is 85.9 degrees. It has a PET immunity of up to 30 kilograms. The maximum distance it offers it's 800 meters, and the system can merge up to 20 photos into a GIF, and it will send it to the Hik-Connect app. This one also offers 6 years of battery. This is just a comparison of the field of view of the PureCam. We also offer different sensors. For example, we offer the combined brake and glass detector. We also offer the indoor peer detector and the PureCam detector. These devices can be added via QR code on the Hik-Connect app. Another devices that we're gonna be offering it's magnetic context. This can be attached to a window, to a door. Yeah, anything that's gonna be required to open. This can be connected to there. We're gonna be also offering the emergency bracelet. And we're also gonna be offering a panic button. This can be attached to anywhere. Just as long as it has coverage, it's gonna be able to be triggered. We're gonna be offering here two types of magnetic contacts. The first one is gonna be offer a coverage of up to 1,200 meters. It has up to 5 years of battery lifespan. This one also has a two-channel wireson interface, meaning that you can connect any wire sensors. You can connect it to there. It's gonna be you can connect out to two channels here. The installation it's very easy and also has a LED indicator. The second one will be it's gonna be offering up to 800-meter coverage. It's gonna be having up to 3-year battery life. Same as the previous one. It's gonna be having easy installation and it's gonna also have a LED indicator. The outdoor and indoor sirens, both devices are gonna be offering up to 1,200-meter transmission range. You can configure to have a LED as for the confirmation for arming or disarming. Both of these devices gonna have a 5-year battery. You can also connect a 12-volt power supply. It's gonna have 3 levels of configuration, to which 110 decibels is gonna be the max level, and also gonna have a LED strobe. This is gonna be the repeater. You can connect up to 2 repeaters per hub, and you can extend the 3x wireless distance up to 400 meters. It has a local battery inside, and for the PureCam, it's gonna be offering up to 400 meters. I'm sorry about it. Doesn't. I'm sorry. It doesn't support two repeaters. It's gonna be supporting 4 repeaters. I'm sorry. You can do the pairing automatically via the Hik-Connect or via the local connection here. This is gonna be a typical installation for the repeaters. This is for a zone, for example, for any distance that you're gonna need the better coverage, you can connect the EPCOM hub in a centralized place. The repeater, you can connect the repeaters, to cover more distance. And the repeaters, you can connect any wireless sensors or any magnetic sensors in here. The control devices. This is the keypad or the key fob. Uh, the keypad offers a distance of about 1200 meters of transmission. You can configure the keypad to use different types of alarms. The keypad, you can use it for the arm or disarm. You can configure a silent alarm if you're forced to use a code. You can configure a different code for the silent alarm. You can check the status, and you can even activate the outputs, automation outputs. The key fob is gonna cover a distance of up to 400 meters. Take into account this is for this requires a line of sight to be able to handle those distances. This is a tag reader. It's very. I'm not sure if you're familiar with the Wigan readers. This will be the same. Just this is gonna be wireless. This is gonna be supporting up to 1200 meters of a distance. And the display, it also has a LED display to show the status of the arm or disarm. The different method of management and control, this hub can be added to the IBMS 4200 for the administration. It can also be added to the HIC Central Management and the HIC ProConnect. This is just for basically for installer tools for the end users. The only app that you're gonna be using, it's the Hik-Connect. The application, the Hik-Connect app, this is gonna be the app that you're gonna be using to add the devices, to enroll the wireless sensors, to configure, for every action, you can configure a reaction here. With this application, you can receive notifications. You can see the system and device status, such as the temperature. You can even see the history of the events. From the Hik-Connect app, you can also add the admin accounts, and you can manage the users. Everything can be done through the Hik-Connect app. This will be a typical application for an apartment. Uh, as you can see here, we have the central hub here. We can also add the panic buttons, the keypads, magnetic contacts. Everything can be added and centralized in a centralized manner from the epcomAX cap. And this is a typical house application. As you see here, you have the magnetic contacts, the keypad, the indoor sounder, the pure cam, and even an IP camera here. This is a typical application for a store. You can have here up to 2 IP cameras as well as a peer cam. You can also connect the panic buttons, yeah, for every shaker. You can also add the keypad, the brake glass, and yeah, this is a typical store application. This is a typical office application. So yeah, same as the previous one. You can on the Hik-Connect app, you can configure the roles for each user. For example, if you want to that, okay, this user is gonna be opening the arming or disarming the door, or yeah, everything can be done through the Hik-Connect. This is these are the devices that you can add. The limits are the 48 wireless sensors. You can add up to 4 wireless sirens, 2 repeaters. The keyboard and tag readers you can support. You can support up to 8. You can support up to 16 remote controls and 8 tags. This hub also supports only one admin user and one installer. On those admin user and admin installer, you can also add 14 users apart for different permissions. You can also add 2 IP cameras, and it supports up to 8 areas. The lock capacity it's gonna be 5,000. Yeah, this was just a quick demonstration of the capabilities of this of the X-Pro. If you have any questions, you can submit on the right side. There's a space here that says questions. You can submit your question here, and we're gonna be answering the questions here.